Hey everyone, welcome back to OC Outdoorsman. I'm in Newport Beach this morning, and as you can see, it's well before 6 a.m. The sun's barely starting to come out, and it is cold right now. A couple of things you should know. Man, things aren't going very well today. I forgot my fish finder and my watch, so I can't tell you the air or water temperature. And we were on our way. My original plan was to get live bait, buy it from the bait barge, and turns out they're shut down. I'm not sure what's going on here. Maybe it's COVID, the pandemic, I don't know. So, unfortunately for me, Quan brought an extra sabiki rig, so I have that set up on one of my fishing rods, and we're gonna make bait ourselves. I did have a contingency plan, so even if we're not able to make bait this morning, I do have squid and shrimp, so that should work fine for rockfish. And that's what we'll be targeting when we get out to the water. For now, the sun's starting to come up, which is great. It will start getting warmer soon. By the way, I brought my new setup with me this morning. I bought this Daiwa M-Cast. It's size 5000, this reel. And it's like a bait runner. It is a bait runner. Right now I'm using it with a sabiki rig. And I have it mounted to a 9-foot GX2 rod. So I'm breaking that in this morning. So right now, I'm just trying to make bait with the sabiki rig. Cow, big old school. Oh, they're coming off. Big mackerel. I had to speed up the footage here. It was a fiasco. I hooked into about 5 mackerel simultaneously, and they were good sized ones too. And you need to be careful around sabiki rigs. With these hooks flying around, it would be real easy to get poked. In this case, my right hand glove was hooked, and I could not get it unsnagged. You can see I had to take off the glove in order to handle these fish. It was a mess, but we caught plenty of bait, and at this point we're now ready to start rock fishing. The conditions are really great right now. No swells. Look how flat it is. It's like a lake out here, and there's no wind. Ideal conditions. Yeah, keep her red. It's 75 feet and the clouds are on the bottom. Yeah. Shoot, it's almost 400. That's where the big boys hang out. There we go, another Southern California rockfish on cut bait. It's okay to get poked by a rockfish, you just don't want to get poked by a sculpin. Oh, there's another rockfish. Big for Orange County. Ooh, nice little red. I have a bloody deck. I need to clean this kayak. I'm gonna rinse it off with water. I have all this mackerel blood and guts all over the place. Oh, you brought your cutting board? I didn't bring mine. Oh, you did? White fish. White fish. Small one. Number 4. Circle hook. When you fish a surf, what do you normally use?
Squid.
Oh, squid. Okay.
Yeah, if I bring my rig, I'll just send that. But yeah, usually surf fishing, I just want to chill. So I bring squid, get out and rig.
Yeah, a lot of people catch the sand crabs and try those guys too. You bit your sinker off. Must have been a barracuda. Oh, flag. A little flag rockfish. You use fluorocarbon? I just use monofilament straight. We could try further south. Okay. Broker. All right, Quan, you found another hot spot. Give it a shot. I'm using cut mackerel and squid. Double dropper loop. You're just using a single hook, huh? Nibbling. Just nibbling. She usually puts butter and lemon, but she likes things spicy, so she puts a lot of spice too. Oh! Caught another baby. Yeah. Aren't you hot wearing that jacket? Yeah. I was burning up. I had to take this off. The fish are feeding now. Just wish they were bigger. Man, they're all tiny. And I keep catching the same fish over and over again. Holy. No wonder I couldn't move. Oh, up in the front. Clear. Double. Yep. Double trouble. That's how you release a fish. That's definitely the fish I caught earlier. He's orange, got bulging eyes, fat, big mouth, smells kind of fishy. I already cast. Did you already make your final cast yet? You just dropped dropped another one down? Okay, final cast. Woo. Cast that one a mile. Oh, came off. Okay, one final cast. Last one. All right, you ready to wrap things up, or do you want to make your final cast again? All right, dude, for the 5th time, one last cast. one. I've only been jigging for like 30 seconds. Don't give up. It's kind of heavy. On my last cast too. Oh, he's a regular one. He felt big. Oh, big for Orange County. Well, it was a productive day on the water. You know, for not having my electronics with me, it was great that I was able to follow Kevin and Quan around. They both had their fish finders powered up, so we landed plenty of fish. We let most of them go, and it was just a great day on the water. I was glad to finally fish Newport Beach in my new kayak. If you watch my channel regularly, you'd know that in my old Hobie, I had fished Newport Beach many times, along with Dana Point and Redondo Beach. But since getting my new kayak, I really never got the chance to fish Newport for some reason. So it was great to finally get out here, and it was a great day. I mean, we caught so many fish. I'll be more prepared next time. I plan on marking more waypoints and finding the kelp beds again, because all of my old waypoints were lost when I sold my old Yak, and now with my new one, I have to rediscover those kelp beds and mark the waypoints on my new fish finder. But anyway, if you enjoy watching this sort of video content, please consider subscribing, and I'd appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Thanks again.